Mastering the phrase, do the hustle. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fun and lively phrase that's danced its way into everyday language. Do the hustle. This expression is not just about moving to music. It's a cultural icon that carries a message of energy and enthusiasm. So, let's groove into the history and meaning behind this catchy phrase. Do the hustle originates from the 1970s disco era, where the hustle was a popular dance move. It became widely recognized after Van McCoy's 1975 hit song, The Hustle. But this phrase has since evolved beyond the dance floor. When someone says, do the hustle, they're typically encouraging swift, energetic action, often in the context of work or activity. In modern times, do the hustle can refer to working hard with a positive attitude. It's about putting in the effort, being industrious, and sometimes making a vigorous push to achieve something. It's not just about physical activity, it's about the spirit of getting things done with zest and efficiency. Let's see how do the hustle fits into everyday conversation. We've got a deadline. Time to do the hustle and get this project finished. She's always on the move, doing the hustle from one job to another. If you want to succeed in this industry, you've got to do the hustle. And that's the lowdown on do the hustle. It's a phrase that embodies the energy and optimism of a bygone era, yet remains relevant in today's fast-paced world. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence. Keep on hustling, and until next time, happy learning.